This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche easy. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your quiche turns out perfectly every time. This guide simplifies the process, making it accessible for any home cook. You'll learn about key ingredients, proper baking, and how to add your personal touch. Get ready to impress with a wonderfully savory and satisfying dish that's surprisingly simple to create. First, let's prepare the foundation. You'll need a 9-inch pie crust. Store-bought works wonderfully for ease, or you can use your favorite homemade recipe. For the creamy filling, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream. Don't forget to season this mixture with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper for flavor. Finally, stir in 1 cup of your preferred shredded cheese. Now, let's add some delicious flavor. You can incorporate up to 1 1/2 cups of cooked fillings, such as sautéed vegetables, cooked bacon, or ham. Distribute these evenly in your pie crust. Then, carefully pour the prepared egg and cheese mixture over your fillings. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes until the center is set and the top is lightly golden brown. Once baked, allow your quiche to cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period helps the filling set beautifully, ensuring clean cuts. Quiche is delightful served warm, but it's also excellent at room temperature. Feel free to get creative with your next quiche by experimenting with various cheeses, vegetables, and proteins. Enjoy the satisfaction of making this versatile and delicious dish with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.